Comparer within Burp Suite is a very simple utility to compare two different packets. In this case, it is used to compare two different HTTP requests or two different HTTP response packets. So let's click on two different packets which you want to compare, and then we can right click on the packets, and you have two options here. You can either compare the request packets or you can compare the response packets. So let's use the request at this time. So the comparer tab is highlighted. So let's go to the comparer, and these are different packets which I was using earlier. Let's remove this so we are not confused. So this is the first packet which corresponds to this one, and this packet corresponds to this packet right here. So you can pick one request here and the second packet which you want to compare in the second window here, and then you can either choose to compare by words or by bytes. So let's choose words for now, and Burp clearly shows where the differences are within two different packets. So this is a neat utility which you can use time and time again to see how two packets are differing, or even whenever you get a response, to see how the application is differing. So let's also do that quickly. So let's go to proxy request. Let's pick the same request, but instead of comparing the request, let's compare the responses. So this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and let's compare the words. And obviously the time is changed because it was sent during different times, and the content length is also different. And one place you see hello, and the other one you see the cross-site scripting payload. So anyway, I think you get the idea, and it's a pretty simple tool, and you can use it to compare any packets. In the next section, let's look at the decoder utility within Burp Suite.